What's up, everybody? I am so excited today because I'm giving away some 3D text PSDs for all my subscribers to download for free. Absolutely free. Now, this is going to take your design game to the next level, and I can't wait to show you what's in store. Also, the file is password protected. Please kindly watch this video to the end so that you don't miss it. And I also want you to watch this video because once you do that, YouTube actually recommends this video for more people to watch, and then it becomes a win-win. Kindly do that for me, please. Now let's talk about the designs themselves. I've put together a collection of 17 different PSD text. Each one is unique and offers a different style. Now let me show you in a bit. Also guys, like this video and then comment as well. So let's jump into my PC. Let me show you what you stand to get. And let's go to this particular one. So you can see there are 17 in all, as it says over here. And then we have golden text, we have hype gold, we have different types of them. Now I'll just show you just a few of them, and then we just step right into the link and then download it. Now let's so you can see there's quite some beautiful blocky text. It looks quite interesting. This is also the kinds of reveal, some of it, and they are all totally customizable. All you have to do is input your text and then it works perfectly for you. This is also one of my favorite texts as well. It's magic. It has a shadow, background shadow to it. It also looks like metallic. It has a little bit of golden texture, and this I used for a banner. Even here on social media, I use it for a kind of post during the Christmas season. And then one of my favorites, you can see, let's go into Photoshop. Let me show you how to edit it. So this is it. Now I would like to zoom in so that you see how it looks like. It looks very shiny, very classic, and even has some kind of texture in it as well. This looks very realistic, and if you want to edit it, the blue color over here indicates how you can work on it. So this shows that it's kind of editable. This is where you're supposed to input it, your text here. Let's double click on it because it is a smart object. Now it's likely you don't have the font. All you have to do is just go to Google and then type it over here. But let's look at the font that it is. Let's go to character, click on character. You can see it's Tahu, so let's copy it, and then let's type Tahu font. Now a variety of websites are going to pop up. I like to download my stuff from the font, so click on Tahu font from the font here, and then once you click on it, it will show you how to get it. So you can see there is a download. You can click on download and then you'll be able to download it. So this is what I have over here. I can totally click on it over here on the thumbnail T here, and then type BANI. Click again on the thumbnail. Click on Ctrl S. I can see here in the tab it is saving. Once it's done saving, all I have to do is just close it, and then it will totally reflect over here. Everything looks customizable. It's interesting how our works have been made quite easier with these templates and mockup. Now let's go back, and there are a variety of them, but this particular one I want to give you a little task. I want you to, guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so. Also like this video so that more people can watch it. Kindly do that for me, please. Now we have this particular text as well. Let's double click it. This text effect is very classy. It's very interesting. It looks kind of animated, and then it's also modern. Now what I want you to do is I want you to create any social media flyer, any church flyer, any banner, any artwork using this particular style. When you are done, I want you to send it to me on my social media handle, particularly on Instagram. I'm going to show you how to do it. Now you can see over here additional text. Let's take it out. You can even take the background out as well, and then you can go, it says edit your text here. Let's click on it, and then you can see over here edit here. In fact, let's right click it and make it color red to make it quite distinct. So you can click on the layer because it's a smart object, and then pick your text tool, click. Alright, so now it looks like I do not have that particular font. Let me see, what font is that? Luckiest Guy. So I'm going to do it. I'm going straight. Let me click on the bar here, Luckiest Guy font, and then I can find it in Google font. So I'll click, and then we can see download font family. I'll click on it, and then I would like to save it on my desktop. Now I'd like to go and get it on my desktop as well. So show in folder, Then I'll right click it and then extract to luckiest guy. Now I would, where is it? There's it. Double click on it. I'll click on it, right click it, and then I'll choose install for all users. It's done installing, so let's go into Photoshop. Now this is going to reflect in every other software that I have. So you can see it looks like this. You can see how my cursor looks like. Now once I click on it and I try to open it, it will start loading. That means that it now recognizes luckiest guy. So you can see now here it used to be yellow, now it is grayed out. When I double click on it, it will have effect. When I double click on it, it will have effect. So we successfully installed our font. I like to edit it. Ctrl S to save it. And then you can see it over here, my year of, you can bring back the background for it to look quite interesting. Now you can see it looks quite interesting. I would like to select this and this and then Ctrl T on it, and then I can totally resize it to my preference. And so guys, I want you to do that for me. I want you to use this particular effect, create any social media post, social media flyer, any church flyer, any artwork, use it, and then just send it to me on Instagram. Now the Instagram handle, you're going to find it on my channel. Once you go to the cover art, you will see an Instagram icon over there. I want you to click on it to send it to my Instagram page, and then just send it to me as a message, and then I would make a video of all your entries and then just submit it this particular week or next week. And when you send it, I want you to type as you requested, as you requested, as you requested, and then I'll know what to do next. So guys, thank you very much. Let's go back. Alright, so you can also see we have a lot of it on my computer. These are all yours, and feel free to like this video, comment as well, subscribe. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. I love you guys. See you in the next video.